They say 40 is the new 30. Well, I'm 40, but I keep hearing that in terms of having a mammogram, 50 is the new 40. Wait, what? First they tell me to get a mammogram when I'm 40. Now others say I should wait until I'm 50. Which is it, 40 or 50? So I did what any woman my age would. I used my 40 years of smart cookie wisdom to come up with my own answer through my own research. I looked at what the American Medical Association said, then American Cancer Society, then one organization after another. Most say 40. But you know what number I say? 10. As in, if I have early signs of breast cancer now, I don't want to wait 10 years to find out. There may be confusing studies and a lot of opinions, but there's only one me. So I chose the one place that knows this issue best, Asheville Breast Center. I got my mammogram at 40 because they know, and I know, early detection may increase my survival rate by nearly 30%. In that respect, I guess 40 is the new 30. And the experts in mammography know early detection is key. So do what I did. Choose Asheville Breast Center, our local experts. Call 213-X-ray, that's 213-X-ray, and schedule your mammogram in one of our 4 locations. Breast cancer may affect 1 in every 8 women, but at Asheville Breast Center, they believe a chance for early detection affects 1 in every you.